Hello everyone, I hope that you're doing absolutely fantastic today. So guys, we're seeing some kind of a correction in Bitcoin right now, and it actually dropped quite significantly right from this level. Beautiful. What did I tell you about this level that is important for us? I mean, call me Mr. Spot on in the comments right now. So it dropped 7% all the way down to 23,300, and it keeps dropping down right now. And it's not just a technical reason as to why it dropped, but there is also a fundamental reason which you have to understand. And also, I'm going to show you something incredible in this video, which just proves a huge point as to what we can expect from Bitcoin in the future and what is about to happen, which is, I mean, it excites me so much that everything we've been talking about on this YouTube channel is so accurate. It's incredible. And also, guys, well, jumping a little bit ahead, we're gonna do this baby today as well. So if you appreciate these kinds of updates with these kinds of bonuses, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button so you're always notified when I make a new upload. And it's gonna be Rolex number 3 we're giving away today. So the thing is, before we come back to the chart and talk about as to why we are actually, as to what we can expect and all the technicals, etc., we have to understand as to why we're actually going down right now. I mean, it was looking so beautiful, so much volume, such an insane beautiful pump just to come to 25k and crash all the way down to 23, which still is fine. I mean, always if you zoom out, you're gonna see that it still looks absolutely magnificent. We still are in an incredible pump to the upside. However, let's understand as to what is happening and the reason behind it. In my opinion, the reason behind it is quite stupid, to be honest. First thing, let's just reaffirm our view, and for this let's go to Forbes. And Forbes is actually reaffirming my stance on the current situation by actually taking my own comments, see, as here Thomas Krallo has said. So basically, what we are seeing right now in the market is that everybody is hoping that the crypto spring is here. Bitcoin crypto trader Thomas Krallo said, and blah, blah, blah. However, with the fresh consumer price index CPI reading, we can rest assured that the bull market is likely to be postponed. And this is what we've actually been talking about for quite some time already on this YouTube channel. This week, latest US CPI reading showed that prices rose at the rate of 6.4% in January compared with a year earlier, a small decline than expected. 2023 will be volatile, while 2024 can potentially be the start of the next bull market, said Krallo, pointing to global adoption, institutional participation, and store of value reaffirmation narrative as the driver for future Bitcoin and Ethereum price rally. So thank you to Forbes for taking my opinion here into this article, and this is going to be very important, this global adoption, institutional participation, etc. So stick around till the end of the video. I'm going to show you exactly what this means and how it all feeds the whole narrative of what we can expect for Bitcoin price in a near short-term perspective as well. So for the time being, when it comes to this drop right here that we are seeing, it came from this. So Fed's bollard, because as you might know, the Fed has a bunch of participants and a bunch of presidents. It's not just about Jerome Powell. There are also so many people who want the spotlight, so to speak. And Fed's bollard, this individual right here, says he joined Master. This Master is another president of Fed, in pushing for a 750 basis point rate hike at the last policy meeting. And what basically he has been saying is that he would like to see Fed get its benchmark rate to a range of 525 to actually 5.5 and get there as soon as you can. Why? And that is because he thinks that continued rate increases would lock in slower inflation. So, and this is exactly what has spooked the market. Everything was so beautiful and we were pumping, despite Dixie actually pumping as well, which is quite crazy. We're going to get to it in just a second, which still feeds the narrative of yesterday's video. So check out that video from yesterday. I'm going to link it up here. A very, very, very important video for you to understand what is happening and, so you understand my view, my logic. And for this, you need to be watching all of my videos from the beginning and until the end, and also for the purpose of having a chance to win a Rolex. Anyway, we'll get to it shortly. So, and in this instance, what Fed, and why do I think this is stupid, is because not Bullard, not, this other lady, Master, they cannot really decide anything. So it seems like they just want the spotlight. They want to come out and say, oh, we agree or disagree. So for this reason, I think that this, drop to the downside isn't really that significant at this point. So fundamentally, it's not really that significant, but technically it actually is. And for the technicalities, so now we understood like fundamentally the reason behind this drop. And I love how there are these coincidences that, how it actually functions in the market, that we have a coinciding technical reason and also a fundamental reason. I mean, is this some kind of manipulation from the inside, whatever? I mean, you can theorize all you want, but really what we want to see, and this is what I mentioned in the previous video, was this thing right here, this crossover, this death cross of 50 moving average and 200 moving average. And for us to confirm this breakout and decoupling from S&P 500, what we really want is to close above 25,000. Well, because this is a very important order block itself, and also the actual death cross, and we want to go above it. We really want to get actually above 200-week moving average. Every time we did, it just resulted in a massive pump, just technically. So, and this is where we're standing. So this is where we got rejected from. So this is the reason why, this technical rejection is quite important. So we really want to hope that this is going to be just short term, and we're just preparing to break above it, because again, I have a lot of Bitcoin, so I would be very happy to see it pump, and especially happy because it would confirm the actual decoupling from the risk assets. Because look at what is happening to Dixie. Remember, there was always an inverse correlation between Dixie and Bitcoin and really any other currency, but Dixie is pumping. And why is it pumping? It is pumping exactly, well, again, because of what Bullard has said, and also because that our CPI reading, just as I said here in Forbes, also that the CPI reading was bad. Guys, it was not good. Inflation is sticky. So Dixie is pumping, but Bitcoin, and so is Bitcoin. So this is crazy. So this is a true decoupling potentially. And so here also in S&P 500, we're actually dropping. Look, we got rejected again from here, and we're going to put in this kind of a confirmation of potential trend change with a target of about 4,000. And if we're going to break lower. So this is all very bearish, and it all makes sense, but Bitcoin is pumping. So this is beautiful. So is this a real decoupling? And for us to understand this, let's quickly move to a very important news article, which gives us an understanding as to what could come. And you guys are going to be absolutely excited about this. And just quickly, if you want my personal mentorship, we have just a few students finished, and they went into real life trading. And if you are interested in my one-on-one mentorship, there are currently 3 more seats left. Right now, I actually opened up for one-on-one mentorship. And if you're interested in one-on-one mentorship, it's not free, so don't think it's for free. I mean, I'm not doing things for free. So there is a link down in the description to my one-on-one mentorship, which is extremely limited. If you're interested, jump on a call with my team. They will explain how it all works, what you can expect, how we can measure your performance, how it all works, how much it costs, etc. And this is a very exclusive VIP mentorship, which I actually carry myself. So that's why I cannot take in 100 people, unfortunately. So I take bit by bit and piece by piece, a person here, a person here. So if you're interested in becoming my one-on-one mentee and really learn how this shit works, and actually me transferring this experience to you in an incredible, very smooth way, and this is going to save you years of time, then this is the thing for you. This is the best way to learn how to trade and how to invest and how to understand the market. So anyway, let's move on to understanding as to why could potentially Bitcoin be pumping, except for the reasons we mentioned in the previous video. That's why I'm saying check out the previous video, and that is this right here. So Hong Kong right now is, and this is so amazing, and the reason why I'm so excited about this is because it just confirms everything I've said so many times before, that guys, even if SEC is going after crypto, even if United States is going to come out and say, we're banning crypto because we think it's a threat to the dollar, it is going to be a short-term pain, yes, but will it kill Bitcoin? The answer is absolutely not. Why? Because another nation is going to come out and say, oh, you know what? United States just banned Bitcoin. Great, come in, because it's a multi-trillion-dollar industry at the end of the day. So, and this is what US understands as well. So that's why they're not banning it yet. If they thought that they could have banned it like long ago, is that other countries would agree with them, or they could work in conjunction, Bitcoin would have been banned a long time ago. But we know that countries cannot agree on shit, and especially United States and China. So what we're seeing right now in Hong Kong, as you might remember, in China, especially mainland China, they did not permit Bitcoin trading or crypto. They prohibited it, and especially this thought about mining, etc. But now Hong Kong is opening the door to crypto efforts and helping push Bitcoin to even higher. So it will actually, what they're working on right now, it will provide an easy path for deep-pocketed Chinese institutions. Yes! I mean, amazing. I mean, Gary Gensler, you can do whatever you want. Thank you. Goodbye. So basically, Hong Kong has ambitious plans to become an Asian crypto hub. In June, it will officially make crypto buying, selling, and trading fully legal for all its citizens. That also includes mainland Chinese institutions. Wake up, this is just ridiculous. A fully open Hong Kong means that money from China can flow easily back into digital assets, even though the ban on crypto for individuals remains for the time being. So the news stems from a January announcement by Paul Chan, the financial secretary of Hong Kong. He said that the city plans to become a crypto hub with a robust regulatory framework. This is humongous, guys. I mean, if this is not something that could explain why Bitcoin will never be banned. As long as China and US being two incredible powers, and as long as they cannot agree on anything, Bitcoin will always survive. Because who knows, maybe even China will try to weaponize Bitcoin against the US. It's something that would propel Bitcoin just into space price-wise because of supply and demand shock. I mean, this is just obvious, but this is... I mean, it makes me so happy I bought so much Bitcoin. I mean, it makes me so happy. And I mean, so many people are going to miss out so much. But again, in a short-term perspective, as I said here in Forbes, that we can have 2023 being extremely volatile, and it's still in the cards that we could actually go lower. Check out this video where I detail everything that could happen. So it doesn't mean we're going to be going up in a straight line, but this, guys, is what matters. This is, I mean, just absolutely beautiful. So let's hope for us to actually close above 25K and stabilize above 25,000. So actually stabilize above 200-week moving average, and this will just be very, just in terms of momentum, by measuring the momentum. Momentum is starting to stretch right now. So let's hope that it's actually going to be sustained. So now it is the time for us to give a Rolex away to one of you guys. So two Rolexes have already been shipped out of Dubai. I was really hoping that one of you guys will be, the winner will be in Dubai, so I could actually come and we could ride in my bag together and I would slap it on your wrist myself. But unfortunately, it wasn't possible. So because you guys, the two winners were actually outside of UAE. So anyway, the only way how you can participate in this giveaway is by using, again, if you already have a Bybit account, you can always create a new one. It takes like literally 3 seconds. You get insane bonuses that nobody else gives you. No other influencer. This is super exclusive to me. And also, you get a chance to win a goddamn Rolex, which is third Rolex already, and we'll probably be doing more of these once this one is given away as well. So all you have to do is go down into the description of this video, use my link to Bybit, and create an account and deposit money into your account. So and then you can claim up to $30,000 in initial deposit bonuses. And if you deposit at least $100 and maintain a balance of $100 and trade with this money, then you automatically enter into a Rolex giveaway. Also, if you deposit $500 and maintain this amount in your account and you trade with this account, then you get my famous paid crypto course for absolutely free, sent to your email within 3 days. And also, all deposited users get access to my Crypto Signals community for free, which is an amazing community of 30,000 traders. There is a link to it down in the description of this video. If you're a deposited Bybit trader, you can just take your UID, which you can find in the actual Bybit platform, and then go to my Discord channel, put in your UID, and you will be granted access as long as you're a deposited user. So anyway, right now is the time for us to give this baby away. And there were so many winners actually before. The first one we gave away, I think, almost immediately. The second one, it took a few tries because people, the ones that were the winners, actually did not have $100 in their Bybit account. So they missed out on a goddamn real Rolex, which is just incredible. So it was, I mean, it felt bad to just tell people, sorry, buddy, I mean, you don't even have $100. So anyway, let's move on to this and let's just select a random winner from the list. So right now list is 15242. Let's go to a randomizer, 15242, and generate. So the winner is 8,350, and this is 8,350. So there it is. And if your UID is 27879304, then congratulations, you're the winner of this Rolex. This Rolex is yours. I'm gonna ship it to you if you're anywhere in the world. If you're in Dubai, we'll even meet in Dubai, go for a coffee, and I'll slap it on your wrist myself. So all you have to do now is send me an email at info@tomskrallo.com using your registered email that you used when you were setting up your Bybit account, because we know each email, that which UID belongs to which email. So we always get a bunch of idiots and clowns sending us fake emails. Oh, I'm the winner of the Rolex. So please don't be one of these people. Don't waste my time, the time of my team. Only if you're a real winner, only if you really own this UID, send us an email within the next 24 hours and the Rolex is yours. And as always, check out this quick tutorial as to how to trade Bitcoin with proper risk and money management. And stay smart, stay rich. Peace and love, Thomas Krallo. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.